In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto-renewal on Hostinger for 2025. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Hostinger homepage. You can access it directly at the URL hpanel.hostinger.com. Make sure to log in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. This step is crucial as you need to have access to your account's dashboard to make any billing changes. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the Hostinger control panel, which is user-friendly and intuitive. Next, focus your attention on the navigation panel. There, you'll see the Billing section. Click on it. Accessing the Billing section allows you to view all the relevant details about your subscriptions and payments, and this is where you can manage your billing preferences. Remember, keeping track of your billing is important to avoid unwanted charges or lapses in service. Now, as you navigate through the billing area, you should see an option labeled Subscriptions. Click on that. Subscriptions keep track of the services you currently have and their renewal status. It's beneficial to review this periodically to ensure you're subscribed to everything you intend to use. You don't want to be caught off guard by services you're no longer utilizing but are still paying for. Here comes the key part. Within the Subscriptions page, you'll notice an option to disable auto-renewal. Click on it. This step is essential if you're planning not to continue with a particular service in the future, as it prevents automatic charges once the current subscription period expires. Remember, if you decide later you want to keep the service, you can always re-enable auto-renewal. After you've clicked to disable auto-renewal, you might receive a prompt to confirm your decision, or Hostinger might provide additional information about changes to your subscription status. Be sure to review the information carefully and confirm your choice to ensure the setting is updated accurately. Taking these steps gives you better control over your Hostinger account, allowing you to manage expenses effectively and avoid any unforeseen charges. It's always advisable to review terms and conditions related to contracts or subscriptions to understand possible implications fully. By managing auto-renewals, you have the flexibility to decide which services you want to continue using and which ones you might want to let go of, aligning the services to your evolving needs. And there you have it. Simple, straightforward steps to disable auto-renewal on Hostinger. Handling your subscriptions has never been easier. Remember these steps anytime you need to make adjustments to your billing preferences, ensuring you maintain control over your service choices. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments below. Until next time, stay savvy and keep mastering those tech skills.